What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Super Simple Python. This is your host, Yujin Tang, and today we're going to go over how to do a word count function. So I took this text from greensharenergy.com/blog/what are agrivoltaics, and it is about agrivoltaics, which is like a dual system to grow both agricultural products like food and also have a solar panel over them. And it's pretty cool. It's actually a pretty cool technology. So it makes solar panels more efficient and it makes growing shade resistant crops much better. Like you get like leafier greens and stuff. So anyway, let's get into the word count. So word count, and we're just going to take text as our variable here, and we're going to expect a string. And there's 310 words. I already counted them. Well, I actually used Google to word count them. But the way we're going to do this is essentially we're just going to split the string. So list equals text.split, and we're going to split it on spaces, and we're just going to call that the word count. And then we're just going to return the length of the list. And so we're going to print out word count for the text, and we should get 310. And yep, so that's 310 words. And I mean, that's basically all there is to it. Like all we do to do the word count is split on the number of spaces. Thanks for watching. If this is helpful for you, or if you learned something, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. All right, peace out.